Hi everyone, and welcome to Mindfulness for All. This is a video podcast series that will be featuring different accessible mindfulness tools for everyone in developmental services to try out together. I'm Sue Hutton. I'm a social worker and mindfulness teacher with the KMH Azrieli Adult Neurodevelopmental Center, and I'm really happy to share some neat techniques and hopefully bring you guys something that can help increase well-being. Are you wondering what I'm doing? Breathing out of these straws? You probably are thinking, I thought straws were for drinking. And furthermore, aren't people talking about how plastic straws aren't good for the environment? Well, okay, those are other questions. Those are other discussions. The reason that we have these straws is to do a breathing meditation. Yeah, straw breathing. I'm not even kidding. I've also got a bamboo straw. It's a little tiny one, as you see here, and it's on a necklace. I've got it around my neck. And it's a reminder for me to exhale, do nice long exhalations. And that helps our body calm down. Yep, we're talking about straw breathing today. Do you want me to show you how to do a technique that can help you regulate your breathing? When we breathe deeply, we know that the belly expands out and we're sending those signals to the brain, telling the brain to release positive endorphins that help us relax, right? You may have heard of the vagus nerve. We talk about it all the time in our meditation groups. And it's not, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, different Vegas. This vagus you spell V-A-G-U-S, and that's the Latin word for wandering. And the vagus nerve wanders from the brainstem all the way down the spine. And when it caresses around the belly, we can expand the belly, breathing in deeply. So try that with me right now. Don't worry about the straw breathing just yet. Place your hands on your belly. Breathe in deeply. Can you feel the belly ballooning out? Nobody's looking. Just let your belly go all the way out like a pregnant woman. Breathing in. Breathe out through the mouth, nice and long. You feel your belly go down, right? Breathe in again. Belly expands out. Well, guess what? With straw breathing, we can actually increase that wonderful effect, helping us calm down. So get a straw right now. Feel free to go get yourself a straw. It can be a long one or a short one, whatever you've got. I've got my little bamboo straw that I'm going to try. So I want you to try this. Breathe in with me and let the belly expand out. Now breathe out as long as you can through that straw. Breathe in again, nice and deep. Breathe out through the straw again. Let's try that right now, but this time we're going to do counting. So let's try breathing into 4 and breathing out to 6. Are you ready? Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4. Out through the straw 4, 5, 6. Breathing in. Breathing out. Very, very, very good. Now, remember, if your breath is a little bit different than mine, that's okay. The point is we just want you to exhale as long as you can, and that helps us get that vagus nerve stimulated. Okay, so we breathe in and the belly expands out. Breathe out as long as you can. Now, if you have a straw, you can cut it in half or, do something to make it a little bit shorter. And you can just do what I did. I've got this bamboo straw and it's got a little hole in it and it's got a string tied to it. So it's around my neck like a little necklace. And every time I look down, it's a reminder. I can do a nice deep exhalation. I can even hold it up. When I'm out and about, if I'm feeling a little bit anxious or anything at all, I can just take this, remind myself to breathe out. Take a nice breather. I'm going to show you another thing that we can do with straw breathing, which actually is a little bit of a fun game with cotton balls. Ready? I'm going to show you that now. Okay, now we're going to try doing a breathing exercise using our straw and a cotton ball. So straw and a cotton ball and a flat surface. That's all you need. Are you ready? I'm going to see how long I can exhale. And I want to see if I can make this cotton ball go all the way across this surface. I don't know if I can, but I'm going to give it a shot, and I want you to try it right after I do. Okay, ready? Here I go. Cotton balls there. I'm going to do that deep belly breathing to get my belly to expand out as big as I can. So ready? Here I go. Breathing in. Hey, it went pretty good. I'm going to try it once again. Ready? Breathing in. Yay, I did it. Okay, why don't you give that a try? You can even try having a competition, like a friendly, nice and kind competition, and see if you can race someone. So you do one and they'll do one. See who has the longer exhalation. Give it a try. Cotton ball breathing with a straw. Thank you for doing that straw breathing with the cotton ball game with me. And feel free to make it your own. Find a fun way of doing that. The most important thing that we want to be doing with this straw breathing is having our exhalation be long and full, and that helps us breathe in a little bit more deeply. Some people get a little bit nervous when they think about taking a long exhalation because they feel like they're going to run out of breath and that it's scary to not be able to breathe and just be relaxed about it. Some people are even nervous paying attention to their breathing because it's what keeps us alive. So they feel nervous paying attention, thinking, what if I stop breathing? I'll die. Just be relaxed. The important thing is to be comfortable with it. Your breath is your friend. Your breath keeps you alive, yes. And the more we can be aware of it and help slow it down, the more we can help ourselves calm down when we're having those difficult moments, right? Let's try doing a few more breaths together. So what I want you to do is have a straw. I have two together now, a green and a blue one. I like those colors. So I'm going to be breathing in through my nose. I want you to try this with me. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your straws. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the straw or straws. Breathe in deeply through the nose. Breathe out again. One more time, breathing in through the nose, out through the straw. Now let's try taking 3 relaxing breaths together, just putting the straw down and just feeling our bodies breathing. Can you place a hand on your belly? Place a hand on your chest also if you like. Then you can really feel your breathing. So feel free to close your eyes if you want to do that, or just keep them open looking down. But when we focus on our breath, rather than getting lost in thoughts, thoughts that might make us feel depressed or anxious or upset. Just concentrate on your breathing. Your breath is your friend. And if you can really pay attention to it, you can wire your brain to just be here right now, rather than getting lost in the past or the future with feelings of worry. So let's try that. Just breathing in and out, nice and relaxed. Breathing in deeply. And breathing out. Feel your body relaxing. Breathe in again, feeling yourself breathing in nice and deep. And exhaling, feel yourself relaxing. Very nice work. Remember, you've got your breath with you all the time. And you can also carry a straw around or even make a necklace of one like I have around my neck. Thanks for watching our video podcast. If you want to find out more, please connect with the websites linked in the link below. Check it out. Please stay tuned and keep on practicing mindfulness together.